I think many of us use our refrigerators almost exclusively to keep food cold. But food is not the only thing that can benefit from being kept cold. In fact, in the past few weeks, I have learned about several household items that should be stored in your fridge. I did not want to keep these surprising discoveries all to myself, so I decided that I would share them with you. So, without further time wasting, here are 8 surprising items you should consider making room for in your fridge. Eye cream. Many of us women and men too rely on eye cream to minimize dark circles and reduce the sign of aging. While most eye creams are perfectly fine to store at room temperature, some people swear by storing eye cream in a fridge. Applying a cool eye cream in the morning is so refreshing, and it helps to reduce puffiness and redness around your eyes. Lipstick. The oils in your lipstick can eventually spoil, potentially rendering your favorite shade unusable. You can avoid this unfortunate scenario by storing expensive lipsticks in your fridge. However, it's important to note that refrigerated lipstick have tendency to sweat when brought back to room temperature. This is not technically a bad thing, but the moisture beads may leave marks on your lipstick. I would recommend refrigerating expensive lipstick that you don't use all the regularly. They will last forever that way. Eyeliner. Warm, slightly softened eyeliner might be nicer for application, but it can be so hard to sharpen. When your eyeliner needs to be sharpened, stick in the fridge for a while to firm up. When you go to sharpen it, you will have no problem achieving the perfect point. Nail polish. Storing your nail polish in a fridge will extend its life dramatically. However, refrigeration does make nail polish more viscous and in some cases trickier to apply smoothly. I did recommend refrigerating shades that you don't wear very often but are not willing to go without. Homemade, organic and natural cosmetics. If you own any organic or natural cosmetics or have a few of your own homemade food, you should definitely be storing them in fridge. Many of these type of products have formulas without preservatives, and refrigeration may be the only way to keep them from spoiling before you get the chance it to use at all. Metal bowls and whisks. It's almost impossible to make good stiff whipped cream with a warm tools. The next time you need to whip up a batch, toss your mixing bowl and whisk in a fridge. You will find that it's much easier to get those stiff peaks with chilled equipment. This tip is something you can use any time of the year, but it's especially useful during the summertime. Fresh cut flowers. You know how florists and floral departments store many of their flowers in refrigerated cases? Well, there is a good reason for that. The cold environment helps keep the petals and stem of fresh cut flower from wilting like they would at room temperature. You can use this to your advantage the next time you buy a flower for a gift or for a party. Buy those beautiful bouquets a day or two beforehand and keep them in the fridge. That's one less thing you will have to worry about when your event arrives.